Hi, it's Luna, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to write a cut rod program in Python. Problem statement. So you have a rod that has a length of 4, and you have to keep cutting it to get the maximum price. This is a price for each length. The input is the rod length 4, which is 4, and all the prices for the sizes that are smaller than the length. The output would be the maximum selling price that you can get by cutting the rods into pieces. So the max price would be 10 because the length 2 value is 5 and 2 plus 2 is 4, so 5 plus 5 is 10. Dynamic programming. It's where you build a solution from the bottom up and you solve problems by solving the subproblems. Example, the max value for cutting rod length 2 can be based on the max value for cutting rod length 1 because 1 plus 1 might be bigger than the price of 2. So here the rod length is 1, right? So you're trying to find the value or the max. So when you cut rod 1, you use the price which is 2, and then you add 0. To find the max of 2, you can either do 1 with the price of 2, and then since there's 1 remaining, you do another 1 from this thing, where you pick from this, with the price of 2. Or you could do 2 with the price of 5, plus 0 with the price of 0. So then, since the 2 is bigger than the 4, since the 5 is bigger than the 4, the max is 5. So, and then you add the biggest number to the value, right? For 3, you can have the length, has a price, so you can have 1 with the price of 2, and then you add, and since there's 2 remaining, you can add the value 5 in, which gets you 7. Or you can have 2 with 1 remaining, which also gets you 7. Or you can have 3 with 0 remaining, which is 7 plus 0, which is still 7. So the max is 7, and you put the max into the array. Then for the last one, so here you have 1 with the remaining of 3, which that is 9. Then here you have 2 with the remaining of 2, which the max is 10. Here you have 3 with the remaining of 1, which adds up to 9. Then you have 8. Then you have 4 with the value of 8, which adds up to 8. So the max would be 10. Pass in the price array. For this function that we're going to be using, you pass in the price array and the length of the rods. And this function is the one that's cutting the rods and trying to find the biggest price. So when rod length is 1, I is 1, which is the rod length, and j is 0, which means that you cut out length 1. So then the value would be 2. Then with 2, there are 2 ways to cut it. So there's either, there's 2 ways to cut it. So it's either j0 where you cut out 1, so then you get 4, or j is 1 where you cut out 2, so then you get 5. Thank you for watching.